Okay guys, so we just reviewed the friendly numbers and making 10, and now I'm gonna show you how to add by using this template. You need to draw the same template on your whiteboard with your marker, please, and follow along. So the first addition that we're gonna do is 25 plus 17. Write it down. Okay, so the first box up here, we're gonna put 25. We're gonna put the number that we're adding to, 25. Okay? Now, as we just talked about friendly numbers, what is the friendly number that we can add to 25 to make it friendly? What do we add to 25? That's right, we're adding 5. So 25 is 5 is equal to 30. So this is what we have so far. Now, we added 5, but we needed to add 17. So at the bottom, we can calculate how much left we have to add. And 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. And now, because we know how to add tens, and it's really easy for us to do that, we add 12 to our 30. So 12 plus 30 is going to be what? That's right, 42. Up in here with the first addition that we did, plus 5, and the second addition, plus 12. And this is how you add using friendly numbers and this template. Let's do one more example together. This time we're gonna do 37 plus 13. 37 plus 13. So again, we start at the top corner, first box, and we put 37. To make a friendly number out of 37, what do we need to add? We're adding 3. So at the bottom, you put plus 3. When we add these two, we get 40. That's what you put in the middle. Well, we only added 3, and we had to add 13. So now, 13 minus 3 equal to 10. Oh, that's perfect. Adding tens, that's easy for us. Okay, so now we write plus 10 at the bottom. And what do we have to do next? That's right, add 40 and 10. And we know that it equals to 50. So 37 plus 13 is equal to 50. It should look like this. Good job, guys. Now it's your turn to try it on your own.